Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by freeing easy, immediate space. First, inspect storage to find the largest folders. This tells you where to focus. Next, empty the recycle bin or trash and clear browser caches to reclaim small bits that add up. Then uninstall obvious apps you no longer use and remove duplicate files. These steps are quick and safe. Once done, reboot and recheck storage to confirm gains before moving to deeper cleanup. Now tackle the heavier items that free the most space. Move bulky media and virtual machines to an external drive or cloud storage. This immediately reduces local pressure. Compress rarely accessed archives and delete old installers or update packages. They often sit unnoticed. Use built-in cleanup tools or a reputable disk analyzer to remove temp files, logs, and leftover caches. Make sure to verify important files before deletion, and keep a recovery plan in case you need to restore something. Finish by optimizing storage habits and preparing for future needs. Enable streaming services and offload photo libraries to CloudSync to prevent reaccumulation. If you still need more room, consider upgrading to a larger SSD or moving rarely used partitions to external drives. Repartition only after backing up. Finally, if space vanishes unexpectedly, check for large system restore points, backup snapshots, or hidden backups, and run a malware scan. If something goes wrong, restore from your backup and repeat the targeted cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.